other than this, hell yeah. I literally haven't been since that day with you. Alright, so we were making it out today. We have just met up with Amir, gonna run, grab some coffee, adventure a little bit, and just really enjoy our time being out. And he just got his motorcycle back after not having it for over a month, so we haven't been out on the bikes together. We're gonna just catch up and enjoy our time out, run to some spots that we haven't been, go to some spots that we've never been to, brought the drone with us in the backpack. Also, I have been doing a lot of test and tuning with trying to get the best audio with the Action 4, getting my whole setup all nice and dialed in. I have tried some new stuff, which I had high expectations for, and it kind of fell a little bit short, but I will make a video on that in the future. So as for now, we're gonna jump back on the bikes and make our way to the coffee shop.